Hello, I'm Travis Bergeson, Service Director here at Toyota Des Moines.
Hi Travis, it's good to be out here today. It's gorgeous.
Beautiful day. Beautiful, beautiful day.
Yes, well, we happen to hit you in the late morning. And so I know you've just come out from having a big rush in the service department because everybody comes in at 7 in the morning with their vehicles that they've scheduled.
Yep.
But we just wanted to learn a little bit today about how it's going.
Over the last number of years, the employees that we've been fortunate enough to get and retain have all, like I said, retained with us. Something that we've been very fortunate is when the pandemic started, we did not have to lay anybody off. Everybody has gone through, so everybody has been professionally trained for a long time for some of them. Some of them are newer, but they've all, through this whole thing, they were ready to get back to normal business.
Well, good. Well, I'm going to ask you to take the mask off just for our video today.
Okay, sounds good.
Just to get a clear recording of you, but one of the things that gets us and keeps us on the road is making sure that we're aware of things that are happening. Talk a little bit about some of the recalls that are going on.
Toyota's done an excellent job over the last number of years. If there is a recall, they let you know immediately. The way that they do the recalls is before something happens, they get it fixed prior. That way there's no issue. So recently in the last month or two, there's been a number of more recalls that have been issued for a lot of the newer vehicles. Like I said, they want to make sure everything is fixed before something happens. Currently right now, one of the larger ones we've seen in a while is fuel pump replacements. That is on a number of makes that they have right now, or models, I apologize. And the Takata airbag, that's been a big one for not just Toyota, but all the other makes that are out there. We want to make sure those get handled as quickly as possible. So if Toyota has not notified you on it, our receptionists have done an excellent job going through to see locally who has one available, and they contact those people and we do whatever we have to do to get it in. And by all means, if you have any question whatsoever, whether your vehicle has a recall, what the scheduled maintenance is for it, we have receptionists, we have service advisors, we have parts professionals. Anybody can answer your question. So just give us a call, and yeah, we'll do whatever we need to do to help you get it in. Whether if you're uncomfortable coming in due to COVID and everything like that, we have our pickup and delivery. We'll pick up the vehicle, we'll deliver it back to you. We've adapted very well to everything, and we're here no matter what it takes. We'll get you in.